Listen, did you know most people are working harder, not smarter, when it comes to side hustles? But today, I'm going to share 5 side hustle secrets that can help you make more money, grow faster, and avoid wasting time. These are the things a lot of successful people don't openly talk about. One of the biggest mistakes people make is constantly jumping from one side hustle to another. Instead of trying 10 different things at once, focus on one thing long enough to actually grow it. Consistency beats constantly starting over. A lot of people spend money on ads too early. But platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels can bring you customers and income for free. Content is one of the most powerful tools for growing a side hustle today. Many people overcomplicate their business ideas. Simple offers usually perform better. People want fast solutions, easy products, and clear messaging. Keep it simple and easy to understand. Don't depend on just one source of income. You can combine affiliate marketing, digital products, YouTube, print on demand, freelancing, or remote work opportunities together. That's how many people slowly build financial freedom. Most people use their phone only for entertainment, but your phone can become a money-making tool. You can create content, manage a business, promote products, answer emails, and make sales directly from your phone. The people who succeed are usually the people who stay consistent even when results are slow. Most people quit too early.
You do not have to be perfect to start a side hustle.
You just need to start, stay consistent, and keep learning as you grow. Small steps every day can completely change your future. If you want more work from home jobs, side hustle ideas, and ways to make money online, make sure you like this video, comment, side hustle, and subscribe, because I post opportunities like this every single day to help you level up financially.